Hello YouTubers. Today I will be showing you uh, on how to do a maintenance cleaning on your Epson Sure Color series. The model of this machine that I have right now is S40670. This is actually a 5-feet printer. Alright. So these are the cartridges. That is the waste. Okay, so this is the control panel. I was doing a nozzle check a while ago, and the result of this, you can see that the cyan, okay, just a broken line, so it needs to be clean. Okay, so what we're going to do right now is that I'm going to move the head towards to the end of the left side of the machine. Okay, so this is how you do it. Before opening this cover, let's move the head first. Okay, so all you need to do is you need to press this one. Okay, then we need to do head maintenance and go down, hit the regular cleaning, then it says move head, hit OK. So you can see now that the head we're gonna move towards the left side. Okay. Okay. So it will gonna rest there. Actually, you can open this cover. Okay. Let me get this one first. Let's open this one. Set. So we can see this is the carriage of your head. This thing's here is actually a reflector. I'm going to place it here. Okay. Okay, to light up so that you can actually see. Yeah. So if you notice, you can see the heads there, here. Okay. So this is how I do it. Okay. So this is my plastic gloves. This is my buds, and this is my cleaning solution. We need to dip this one. Okay, here we go. So as you can see, we can see the heads here. What we normally do is we need to swipe only the sides. Okay, let's just be careful that we don't include the copper color here. Okay. See, there are some black stains on the center. This one here is showing. Need to remove the black because I think this is already overspilling the blocks already, or the waste itself is overspilling the head. This is the portion of the cyan here. Okay, so I need to refill. Okay, so I'm refilling my buds with the cleaning solution, and then Need to go back on this portion. Okay. Okay, so there are four. You can see there are four. So this one's here on the sides, we need to clean it as well. Okay. Let's try. Okay. So there's a little bit stain. Can you hold on this one? Okay. Let me do one more time. Especially on this side, there is still black on the sides. Okay. This is the other one. I think this is a black one. Okay. Clean the sides. Clean the sides here. Okay, so basically, that's better already. Okay, so now we're going to move on the right part of the printer. So I need to remove this one first. Don't forget to remove this. Okay, and I need to close this one. Okay, and we know we're going to proceed here. Open this. Okay. So first we need to check if there are some fibers that has been retained by the tarpaulins. You can see there's some hairy. Can you get the clip? Okay. There are some fibers here, showing here, right? You can see that. So I need to remove that one using this. See, these are fibers. Need to remove this one. Next, we need to wipe with the buds on all the sides. Okay, can you get the cleaning solution, please? I need to dip this one again. Another wipe here. Okay, you don't need to touch the centers. All you need to do is all the sides, so that those ways there are still fibers here, so that those ways color black will not gonna turn sticky. Okay, it looks better. Okay, here you can see this one. I already changed this one last week. I changed the new one because you can actually remove this. It's part that you need to remove this one. Most especially there's a lot of waste already accumulated on those inks. Well, I think we're done. Hold on. So we need to close this one. Okay, check everything if there's no object before I'm going to move the head again. So okay, we need to press OK if we're going to move the head back on its original position. Okay, hit OK. Okay. Yeah. So the head is already back on its original position. What I'm going to do is I need to do a head clean. Okay. Head clean first. Cleaning, hit OK. Cleaning light, I'll just select the medium side. Cleaning medium. And it's asking me for all nozzle. Then I have to select all nozzles. You can actually select the nozzles that you want. If either you go only for the magenta and yellow, there are two combinations, but I'll go for the all nozzles. I just want to make sure that everything are clean. Hit OK. So what do we have here? Selected cleaning is not available. Clean with available level. Okay, so hit yes. Okay, now it's cleaning. That we're going to clear up all the clogged nozzles. Okay, so right now it's almost complete. Okay. First, I'm going to exit this one. Hit exit, hit OK. Okay, I'm going to raise this paper. Remember, this was the last, the first nozzle check that I've done. There are broken lines on the cyan. Okay, so I need to raise this one first. Okay, I just want to make sure that they should be properly, okay, clip on that so that it will not gonna jam. Okay, I think everything are okay. Okay, so we can actually do a nozzle check. When you do a nozzle check, all you need to do is hit this one, hit this button. Alright, see a nozzle check, you need to hit OK and hit OK. It's still warming up, so it will gonna take some time. So I'm just gonna hit the OK so that we're gonna print right away. Now it's done. Okay. You can see now. Okay. We cannot see any missing or broken lines. So it means it will gonna tell us that the head is now okay. So there's no broken line. We can print right now. So we're gonna have a good quality printing on this. Okay. I'm gonna show you, give you a good example for the CMYK color. Okay, so what we're going to do right now is we need to print something. Okay, first you need this dongle in order for you to launch the application for the RIP software. This one. Okay, we're using Onyx. Okay, so here in my history I made already one. This is just only for my testing purposes. Okay, so we have here the cyan, 100% cyan, 100% magenta, 100% yellow, 100% black. Okay, I'll set it at 4 pass. I choose MPI 3020 because I'm using a matte stickers. Yeah, hit OK. It's now ready to print. Once you hit this one, the printer will gonna be ready for printing. Okay, as you can see, the printer is now ready. Okay. Printer is now. Okay. Hold on. The printer is telling us that actually the paper is already very short. It's almost end of the paper. So don't worry about that. All I need to do is I need to push this lever. Okay, so let's see. This is the result of the printing. Okay, you can see this one. This is actually not in the printing process. This will gonna happen if you're going to hold the media with your fingers. Your fingerprints will be left behind. The moment you're going to print, this will gonna show up. Okay, so as you can see, we cannot see any horizontal banding there. Okay, that's it. If earlier we did not clean the head of the printer, there was a broken lines for the cyan, you will actually see a horizontal banding here. Okay, so that's it. So I hope you're going to I hope you like this video. I hope this video is helpful to you, most especially to those owners. I encourage to those owners that they will teach themselves rather than relying on their staff, an operator of the machine. Because one good example right now, we are on lockdown right now. We don't have any staff right now reporting, but the printer needs to be, running at least thrice a week. Otherwise, if you're going to leave the printer idle, printing nothing, what will happen is that your head will gonna get clogged. And we don't want that to happen because it's very expensive if your printer will gonna get busted, or clogging is very hard to to be clean. Okay, so I think that's it for now. So if you like this, hope you're gonna hit the subscribe button, and I will be uploading more videos or other tutorials with other machines next time. Thank you and God bless.